Ojema. We'll meet you.
I am Chika Ibeneme.
Ndiigbo Unconstitutional. You are here also today to witness the new ratification of the new Ohaneze president in the person of Chief Iwuanyanwu. How did you witness the process?
Well, I witnessed it because everybody in the hall was accenting. I was the only dissenting voice.
I saw that
when the year have it, the nay
must be hard as well.
Oh, sure. 3 reasons. 1, we are drifting. Our constitution is being jettisoned. And when you go to Article 12, page 15 in our constitution, 2004, you will see where they said in the absence of the president and the vice president and the deputy president, there is a hierarchy that will take the reign. But unfortunately, and it was our father that was the chairman of the committee, and he signed and ratified it in the Imobi. I don't see any reason why we should all be happy, because our youths are there, age 60 down. We have vibrant men and women that can, handle the affairs of Ohaneze and lead Ohaneze to a better horizon. And then finally, Tinubu is octogenarian, and our equally funny president has accented to Tinubu being the president of this country. And we said no, and we brought out somebody in the form of P2B who traversed the length and breadth of this country and won the election. But he's been denied of his victory, his mandate. And here we are, the same scenario playing out. Ohaneze Ndiigbo is my father. I love him. I don't want them to ridicule him. He accented, he ratified, he signed a document that he is contradicting now. But unfortunately, who am I? And that was why I said nay, boldly and loudly too. So call me tomorrow, I will still stand on what I said. And I want us to do the right thing. We have to do the needful.
And what is the right thing?
The right thing is that for us, the Constitution says, in the absence of the President General, Deputy President General, the Vice President takes acts, and it has to be chosen from the hierarchy, starting from Abia, Anambra. Abia is the secretary, Anambra is the next in line, so it falls on Anambra State.
But that would be,
go through it and
but that would be unfair. If Imo has 3 years, then it's, and something like that happens.
There is a very good replacement in Imo State. I can mention about 10 of them. Very, very good quality personalities that can take up. Our father has done enough for Igbo land. Our father has, in fact, he is everywhere. He is the elder statesman. He is, in short, oh my God. I don't want us to ridicule him.
Okay, thank you very much.